Alright, so I have a new thing to show you today. As you can see, we have a Toastmaster 2-speed push button stand fan. What differs this from a normal Toastmaster? Who knows? It's my first Toastmaster. I have another McGraw Edison, two of them. One's really early. And then the other one is the Corey, Freshened Air by Corey, or whatever, Corey by Freshened Air. This is a little different because this is an actual Toastmaster, as you can see. It's in very nice shape. It's not very heavy. The paint's good all around. Handle is there, as you can see. 2-speed push button, high-low off. We've got a stand attached to it, and as you can see, the openings for the stand are not in the center. They're sort of off to the back, and they're tapped with, I don't know if you can see it. Well, I'll be able to show you that. On this side, we see it's got a specific threaded insert. It looks like it's spot welded on. Come on, focus, buddy. So here we go. Now, it comes with an adjustable stand with the, everything's pretty good. It's got a little surface rust on it. It's otherwise in nice shape. So there you go, and let's run it on high. Seems to run real nice and smooth. I haven't really cleaned it out or anything. Doesn't shake too bad. You can change the angle, as you can see, a little bit. So that's high. It's not amazingly high. Now let's go to low. So there's low. And I like the easygoing, mellow, quiet lows. And that's a pretty nice low. Still moves a good amount of air. Feels pretty nice. And let's go, that's off, but let's do a spin down from high, as is the style of the tone. So there she is on high, and we'll knock her down to off. And the paint on the grates is pretty good. It's pretty bright out here, so it's hard to tell on the inside, but there's no rust on the bottom. Spins down pretty good. I've not oiled it or anything. This is just how I found it. And if we flip him to the back, we can see that the bottom has all 4 feet, and again, very little rust. A little bit of a discoloration here, but not really rusty at all. So there is your Toastmaster on the stand. I don't know if this is sold this way because of the inserts for the what you call it. So we'll have to see what that does. There you go. So that's your Toastmaster on the stand. Thanks for watching.